Est-ce que je suis Jackie? Suis-je Jackie? Je suis Jackie? Trois questions de trois différentes manières. Oh là là! Salut, bonjour, bonsoir, et bienvenue à Learn French with A and J. Hi everyone, and welcome to Learn French with A and J, or today, Learn French avec J. Learn French avec moi. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler des trois différentes manières de poser des questions en français. Today, we're just going to dive into three different ways of asking questions in French. Are you ready? And before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learn French with ANJ, for all kinds of French content. Go ahead and like this video. Leave us a little comment below letting us know if you want to learn anything in particular. And share this video with the world! Merci. Alors, allons-y. Les trois différentes manières de poser des questions en français. Numéro 2, numéro 1, numéro 2, mon Dieu. Numéro 1 avec est-ce que. First one with est-ce que. Or, in English, what it is it that? Par exemple, est-ce que je parle français? Oui, je parle français. OK? Répétez. Est-ce que je parle français? Très bien. Un autre exemple. Est-ce que nous habitons en France? Répétez. Est-ce que nous habitons en France? Non, nous n'habitons pas en France. OK. Très bien. OK. Alors, si vous commencez une question avec est-ce que, c'est toujours une question. If you start something with est-ce que, it's always going to be a question. How easy is that? So, anytime you say est-ce que, boom, we know we're in question land. Okay? And also, a little tip is that with est-ce que, you don't have to change the subject, verb order, object order, right? So, est-ce que, subject, je, verb, parle, object, français, right? Est-ce que je parle français? Oui, je parle français. Statement. You don't change that with est-ce que, okay? There's no changing of the order stays the same. And reminder that est-ce que questions can only be answered by yes, no, maybe. Okay? Est-ce que questions are oui, non, peut-être type of questions. Of course, can any specific questions be made into an est-ce que question? Absolutely, right? And the specific questions are the journalistic who, what, where, when, how, why, right? Kind of questions. And so in French, it's the same thing. You start with those specific types of questions, and then you add est-ce que right after, and then subject, verb, object. For example, or subject, verb, right? Comment est-ce que vous vous appelez? Par exemple. Répétez. Comment est-ce que vous vous appelez? Très bien. Maintenant, donnez-moi un exemple, s'il vous plaît, dans les commentaires. Now it's your turn to give me an example with est-ce que in the comments below so I can make sure you know how to do it. Numéro 2. Second way to make questions in French are l'inversion, inversion, which thankfully exists in English too. What is inversion? Inversion, invert, it comes from the verb invert, means that you are switching the subject and the verb to make it into a question. For example, vous parlez anglais. It's a statement, right? Vous parlez anglais. Statement. You speak English. Now in French, it's easier than English in this way because we don't need the verb to do to make a question. So what we do is we just do an inversion of the subject and the verb, and instead of vous parlez anglais, what do we say? Parlez-vous anglais? Boom! Répétez s'il vous plaît. Parlez-vous anglais? And bam, it's a question. Oui, nous parlons anglais. OK? Répétez. Parlez-vous anglais? Let's give you another example, shall we? Okay, let's do it with elle. Elle danse la Macarena. Okay? Statement. How do we make that into a question? Can you tell me? Danse-t-elle la Macarena? Répétez. Danse-t-elle la Macarena? Très bien. Maintenant, à vous de me donner un exemple avec l'inversion en français dans les commentaires. Now it's your turn to give me an example with the inversion in the comments below. Merci. Now, a little note about inversion. With the pronoun subject I, je, there are a lot of verbs that can't be inverted. Why? It doesn't sound right. You know, French is all about sounding right, about flow, you know? So if it doesn't sound right, if it doesn't flow, it won't go. So a lot of je statements, I statements cannot be inverted. You need to just use est que, right? So for example, je parle espagnol. We cannot say parle-je espagnol. Like, no. That sounds so horrible. Yeah, no. Just use est que, please. If you're gonna go into philosophical statements or you have amnesia for some reason, just, we're gonna say, est-ce que je m'appelle Jackie? Est-ce que je parle français? Est-ce que, yes. There are a few verbs where you can do the inversion with je. I think there are only 3 or 4 exceptions. So these 3 or 4 that you can use. But just to make it easier, just always use est que. So then you don't have to think about it, right? Parfait. And last but not least, what is the third form, the third way to make a question in French? Well, I don't like this way because you're leaving it up to chance for people to understand if you're asking a question. And the third way is really just to make an inflection in your voice, like go up a little bit at the end of the sentence so that it's a question. Like, for example, I am Jackie, right? Did you see that? That made it into a question, right? Like, I love chocolate? My face and the inflection makes it a question. So you can do the same thing in French. But please, 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 just as advice from your French teacher to you, my beloved French students, just don't do it. Just don't do it. The possibility that somebody will think it's a statement is so high. Just, it's not worth it, is it? I mean, it's up to you, okay? But let's give you a couple examples in French on how to do that third, like make a statement into a question using your voice. Par exemple, Elle part demain? Répétez. Elle part demain? Un autre exemple. Nous mangeons du pain? Répétez. Nous mangeons du pain? Etc., etc., etc. Feel free to practice those if you want to and have fun with making these statements into questions. But please, 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 if you go visit a francophone country, French-speaking country, and you try to use these, use it at your own risks and perils. Don't say I didn't warn you. Très bien, nous avons terminé pour aujourd'hui. Thank you. We are done for today. So remember, what are the 3 ways to ask a question? Number 1, c'est quoi? Est-ce que? Est-ce que always makes it into a question. And est-ce que are yes, no, maybe questions, unless they're preceded by a specific type of question. Journalistic. What, who, when, how, where, whatever. Right? So if so, then it doesn't become a yes, no, maybe question. It becomes a specific question. So who, right? Qui est-ce que vous êtes? Bam. Numéro 2. Inversion. Inversion, just like in English. Am I Jackie? Okay, is a question. En français, suis-je Jackie? C'est une question. Boum, inversion. Parlez-vous anglais? Inversion. Et numéro 3, number 3, is just using your voice and going up at the end to make it into a question. Je mange des cigales? Très bien. If you have any questions, any problems, please let me know below. Don't forget to give me some, examples using esker and inversion especially below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learn French avec A&J, for more awesome French content. Like this video. Leave us a comment below. We loved saying hi to all of y'all, favorite students. And share this video avec le monde, with the world. Merci beaucoup mes amours et à la prochaine. Ciao.